you.
For what?
For interfering with an arrest.
Whoa, you guys are tight.
Now, what's on your mind, punk?
We were just joking.
All right. Take a hike.
Okay. Okay.
Beat it.
Okay. Those jerks. Would you believe they made such a big deal out of it?
Come on, man. You were asking for it.
We were just kidding around.
They weren't laughing.
Yeah, that's weird.
What, that they weren't laughing?
No, I don't see my car. It was right here. What's the matter? Big boy can't find his sax? I don't know, man. It was right here. Maybe it was towed away or something. Yeah. What's the sign say?
Says it should still be here. That's really weird. Looks like it was stolen, Steve.
Geez, that's all I need.
Guess you better call the cops.
Oh, terrific.
Well, what else can you do?
Forget it, man. They'll think we're putting them on.
Yeah, I mean, like you saw what just happened.
That's got nothing to do with it. Your car's been stolen.
Come off it, Lizzie. They've got it in for him now, and you know it.
That's not true.
Hey, wait a minute. I don't want to hear all this. We're wasting time, and I want to find my car.
All right, Steve. We'll think of something. Frank?
What, Frank? Oh, we're not going to find it standing here. Come on, let's go look for it, okay?
Okay, I'm parked right around the corner. I hope.
Liz, call the guys. Tell them to meet us here in half an hour, okay?
Oh, this is really stupid.
Hey, where is everybody? Hey, didn't you call?
Yeah, I called. Richard's father took his car keys, Tony lost his license, and David and Sam were leaving for a game. They said to tell you to call the cops.
Oh, unreal.
Well, what do we do now? Frank?
What, Frank? Hey, man, take a rest, will you? Hey, cut it out, you guys. Let's see. Why don't we,
That's right, why don't we,
Hey, lay off it, Liz. You're only complicating things.
I'm complicating things. Be realistic, Steve. Who are you going to call now, the mod squad? If you had called the police an hour ago, they might have found your car by now.
Maybe she's right.
What do you mean, maybe?
All right, you're right. She's right. Right?
Are you sure you brought your car today?
Oh, swell. What a team. With your help, who needs cops? I'd like to report a stolen car.
License number?
I really don't remember.
What's the first thing we need? Is there anybody you can call?
I guess so.
Well, look who's here.
You know him?
Yeah, we just met.
Says somebody stole his car. Doesn't know the license number.
Hey, it's my father's car.
What time did he come in?
407.
I'll handle it, Jim.
Officer Phil will take care of you.
This way.
Why? Where are we going?
Just routine, kid.
Is there anybody you can call for the license number?
Yeah, I can call home.
Dial 9. Tell me your phone number.
Hello, Mother? Yeah, let me speak to Dad. Mom, just let me talk to Dad, will you?
Here you go, Bob. Thank you, Bill.
Dad? Listen, what's the license number on the Maverick? 265 EBL. Oh, well, I think the car was stolen or something. When we came out of the movie, it wasn't there. So I came to the police station to report it. Well, don't worry, Dad. I'll take care of it. You know, I'll call you back later. Right. Bye.
Whose name is the vehicle registered under?
It's my father's car. Mr. Frank Porter.
Was the car locked?
Yeah, you see, what happened was...
Just answer the questions.
Hey, man, I'm trying to talk to you.
Did you leave your keys in the ignition?
I told you, the car was locked.
Was the car legally parked?
Yeah.
Where do you know Ernie from?
Well, he's a kid from school.
What time did you discover the vehicle missing?
Hey, what? 2 o'clock.
Why didn't you report it right away?
Hey, why all these questions? I don't understand this hassle.
We thought you'd enjoy talking to us, Stevie.
You did this afternoon.
So that's it. Yeah, I knew I should have never have come here.
Sit down. You've got some questions to clear up first. Sit down.
Hey, man, I don't have to answer any of your questions.
You better have an explanation.
An explanation? For what? I came here to report my car was stolen, and I get the 3rd degree.
You discovered your car missing at approximately 2 p.m. It wasn't reported until 4 p.m. Now, what we want to know, Steve, is what were you doing between 2 and 4? Am I going too fast for you?
All right. My friends and I went looking for the car.
You went looking for the car?
Well, yeah.
Okay, Steve. Go back and look some more.
Hey, what does that mean? You're not going to?
Oh, we'll put on a broadcast, that's routine. But with a 2.5-hour lead, that baby is long gone.
Don't lose any sleep over it.
We're going by the book. Not an inch more or less.
What would it cost me for an inch more?
I didn't hear that, Steve.
You heard me.
Why, you...
Cool it, Bob. We could book you for attempted bribery.
What are you talking about?
You just tried to bribe Officer Farrell and me.
You gotta be some stupid kid.
Look, well, this has gone too far. What bribery? I mean, I don't even have the money for a parking meter. I mean, look, I was only joking.
Sure, Steve, everything's a joke with you. In front of the movie today was the joke. The 2-hour delay was a joke. Your friend Ernie in there is a joke, and bribing an officer is a joke. You got any more jokes, Steve?
Hey, wait a minute. This has all gotten out of hand. I mean, look, I didn't realize. Well, we thought we could find it ourselves.
Do you know there's a car stolen every 34 seconds in this country? Do you know how long it takes a pro to strip a car?
Could I go with you? I mean, I don't know, maybe help you look for it, you know, or something.
Could we arrange it, Bob?
Call your father. Tell him to come down and sign a waiver.
Sure. What waiver?
To release the police department of all responsibility for your life once you're inside that car.
What does that mean?
It means we ain't exactly riding in an ice cream truck. All right, Mike. See you later. One more month on this diet, my stomach will be shut.
Something to soothe your stomach. The only one with trimethicone.
Oh, well, then save it for dessert.
How long does it take to strip a car?
Well, let's see. Back a tow truck up against the front end. Lift the hood, cut the wires, then hook up to the engine mounts and zap. Then wheels and the rest, so I'd say if it's a pro, probably less than 30 minutes.
That's about the size, huh?
Did they know anything? What did they say?
Nothing.
What do you mean, nothing?
Maybe they didn't feel like talking.
Well, why didn't you make them?
You mean, why didn't we hassle them? Treat them to a little old police brutality?
No, well, if they don't know anything, at least they should say so.
Well, listen to him. What do you know?
No, Steve, that's old stuff. Now the laws are different. We gotta tell them their rights, but they don't have to answer.
Yeah, you mean just like you did with me.
That was different.
Sure, that was different. You almost threw me in jail.
You were getting out of line. Look, kid, this may sound a little corny, but cops are not machines. You kick us hard enough and we'll kick back sometime.
Yeah, with steel boots.
Hey, wait a minute. What's going on here? Thought we got that all straightened out.
I'm sorry. I'm still, you know.
Maybe she knows something.
Why don't you ask her?
Excuse me, miss. My buddy here would like to know, well, have you seen a blue Maverick?
No.
With a 500-pound canary on top?
Hey, killer, why didn't you give him a ticket?
1 Adam 3, possible stolen vehicle at 1160 East Colorado Street. Late model blue Maverick, no license number.
1 Adam 3, roger. Hey, isn't that the place that Knox been investigating?
Yeah, I think so. Well, what do you know? The big league.
What's that?
Probably a syndicate front. Exclusive little trading post for drug traffic.
Wow. Hey, that's a kid from school.
Quiet, Steve.
Hey, Jordan, what are you doing here?
Hey, Jordan, come here. Hold it, Jordan! Bring the car around.
Hey, look. Farrell's been shot.
1 Adam 3, officer needs help at 1160 East Colorado Street. Request an ambulance. Shots have been fired.
He got away. Must be 3 blocks from here. Got me in the leg. Let me down here, kid.
Okay.
Okay. That's better. Lucky again.
What happened?
Probably making a pickup. Some heavy drugs. Paid for with your car.
Wow.
Well, that's how we get medals. By the way, how much was it you were going to pay us?